Hey guys, Jerry with Control Pair Munitions with a BattlBox product review video. Alright guys, like I just said, today's a BattlBox product review video. So I just did BattlBox Mission 88, and one of the products kind of tickled me a little bit. So I wanted to show it to you because it's pretty cool. It is the SLNT Faraday dry bag. So again, this does act as a dry bag, which means you can roll it up, keep your stuff in here protected, electronics, whatever else wise. Stuff that you don't want to get wet, money, whatever. If you're going out to, say, like on a boat or whatever, too, you could use that for this. The other cool part about this is it does block out electro waves, so radio waves, Bluetooth, EMP, EMF, all that other cool stuff. So to prove that, I'm going to use this fancy dancy speaker. That's Bluetooth. Okay, set it right there. And my fancy dancy phone, which is playing the last video. Hey guys, Jerry with Control Pair Munitions with another BattlBox video. So I'm gonna turn it up so you guys can have it. Put it inside the bag. It's gone. Okay, I'm gonna take it back out. All that. Ready?
Okay. Let's bring it on up here. I want to check in on the chat. I also want to check in on the support from you guys.
Go back to my video so there's no copyright. Hey guys, Jerry with Control Pair Munitions with another BattlBox video. All I'm doing is opening up the bag. I swear, this thing actually works. When I was making the video, I could actually hear my Bluetooth going doot doot, and I was wondering, like, in the middle of nowhere, what the hell's that beeping noise? But Bluetooth, I didn't expect it to actually work. So that was really cool. There you go. Why did you stop playing? Did he get tired of playing? Oh, it disconnected from the thing probably because of too many times of me messing with it. Let's see if I can get it back connected. Alright, so I'm going to go part way through the video for sure later. So that's pretty cool. Thank you for that. $24.95, like I said, on their website. Okay, I'm controlling the volume. Next thing in the basic box is the Gear 8 gone paracord. Oh, 1100 back, and let's see here. This is what 150 feet. Wow. So it does block out Bluetooth. It does block out signals if you want to evade or leave an area. That's from one of our podcasts. That just tickles me, so you have no idea. So that's pretty cool. I like getting products that work. So this one actually does. If you've been looking for a Faraday bag, this one is a like 2-for-1. Like I said, you get the dry bag. It does come with the sling. I did just install that right before the video. You can just put it around yourself. I'd probably attach it to a bag anyway, or inside of a bag. But yeah, if you're escaping somebody, or if you just want to be listened into by the government. So, anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell button. Hope to do more of these. Again, this was pretty cool. Pretty simple just to show you how this thing worked. Love it. Get it. Get outdoors. Summer's here. Have fun with your family. Take care, guys.